Hello and welcome to this video series about BIM9 and private BIM clouds. My name is Brian Smith, and in this video we're going to discuss how some of our BIM9 clients are using their private BIM clouds. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to take a look at some of the others in this series. Now I've selected a few specific BIM9 clients to discuss. The first in this group is YWS, an architectural firm based in Las Vegas, Nevada. Their tagline is "Serious about pleasure," and if you haven't guessed, they design hotels, casinos, and dining experiences, along with other things, all in Revit. Now YWS has branch offices in Tulsa, Singapore, and Beijing, and they were looking for a turnkey solution so they could host BIM projects so their other offices could connect as well. They started with a single private BIM cloud located in their Las Vegas office, allowing their team in Oklahoma to work remotely. Then later expanded to a second BIM cloud connecting their Beijing office, both clouds using BIM9 boxes. Next up we have Marble Radnor Architects. They focus on high-end residential and commercial projects, and they also use Revit as their platform. I wanted to point them out specifically because of the way that they're using their private BIM cloud. One thing they do is connect to their private BIM cloud while at a client meeting so they can show the most up-to-date design, not just a copy of it, even with an iPad over a cellular connection. From a hardware longevity standpoint, you can see they've reduced the need to purchase high-end workstations at the same pace they were, resulting in a 30% hardware cost reduction. Next we have Mason Architects, a multifaceted firm located in Honolulu, Hawaii. They also use Revit, and they also have a unique story in why they chose a BIM9 private BIM cloud. Now one of their main BIM guys was working with the firm on a visa from Scotland. So when it was time for him to return to Scotland, they did not want to lose him as a resource, so they installed a private BIM cloud that, amongst other benefits, allowed their talented employee to continue working on projects from Scotland. Now if you look on the globe, you'll notice that Scotland is at the opposite side of the world as Hawaii, and he's able to work on the private BIM cloud all day just as he was sitting in their office there. Mason Architects also chose a turnkey BIM cloud solution designed and built by BIM9. Finally, I wanted to talk about S&B Chris Consulting's civil and environmental engineers located in Las Vegas. Now they use AutoCAD-based products and use their private BIM cloud to stay dynamic in the marketplace. Now they maintain a core staff of employees, but when they take on larger projects instead of hiring and firing, they're able to use outsourcing and contract-specific consultants. Once the team is assembled, they can use remote access and an integrated design approach, allowing the whole team to work together from one system. So there's some examples of how some of our clients are using a private BIM cloud for a wide array of uses. So if you've got some specific needs, be sure to let us know. Now you can select the next video that you'd like to review. An introduction to private BIM clouds, see what it's like to connect to a Revit model over a private BIM cloud, learn about the hardware being used in private BIM clouds, understand the challenges a private BIM cloud can solve, or see how to get started with a private BIM cloud in your office. Thanks for watching, and again, my name is Brian Smith. For more information, be sure to visit us on the web at BIM9.com.